traffic remains heavy as well on the northbound lane of the NLEX as repairs on the damaged Marilao Interchange Bridge are underway. To discuss the latest developments, we have NLEX Traffic Operations Head Robin Ignacio joining us tonight. Magandang gabi po, Robin. Ano po yung update sa Marilao? Talaga bang libre na ang toll for now hanggang maayos? Kamusta ang traffic?
Yes, good po. And yun po, yung ating traffic starting this morning po ay nagkaroon na po ulit tayo ng congestion for the northbound direction because we needed to close po yung 3 lanes for the repair of the bridge, and we are left with just 2 lanes, the outermost and to the right and to the left lane. So these 2 lanes seems not enough, and what we are doing is we are implementing a counterflow or a zipper lane for the northbound traffic.
And yes, Sir Robin, 2 weeks pa rin po ba ang minamataan ng NLEX Corporation to fix the bridge? And is there any way to expedite that process without compromising the safety of motorists and, of course, the quality of the repairs?
Yes, we are targeting end of this month for the complete of the repair po, pero if we can have it fast track pa para mas maaga po yung pagbubukas namin, and then we are doing our best para po mas mapaaga dun sa target nating end of this month.
Okay, and if you can explain lang, no, Sir Robin, kung ano ba yung ginagawa pa ng NLEX, and to follow up on Pauline's query, may chance ba na mas mapaaga ang completion nitong project, nitong repairs, of course, without sacrificing quality and safety?
Meron naman pag-asa, ma'am, but of course, without any delays po nga sana o any concern that will arise habang ginagawa po namin yung repair. Yun pong ginagawa nga natin. Just as I mentioned, we are only left with 2 lanes. So we need to implement counterflow once in a while for as long as yung southbound direction po natin ay hindi naman po affected nung pag-convert po natin ng 1 lane into counterflow lane for traffic for northbound traffic. And yun po, I think the repair is progressing well. Yun pong damaged horizontal beams are already cut, and the fabrication of the replacement are already completed. So what we are doing now is raising the girder, and they will be welded para after the repair, the strength of the bridge will be restored to its original.
So, Sir, confident naman po kayo na matatapos po lahat ng repairs dyan sa Marilao Interchange Bridge before Holy Week? Kasi 2 weeks na lang po, Semana Santa na. So, with that, ano rin po ang mga preparasyon na ginagawa ng NLEX to prepare for the exodus of vehicles? Kasi hundreds of thousands po ang gumagamit ng NLEX, lalo na pag Holy Week.
Yes po, yun nga po, as I mentioned, yun pong end of this month na target namin is achievable, at meron pang chance if everything goes well, baka mapapaaga po konti. And yun po yung preparation natin ng Holy Week. As you mentioned, totoo po, kailangan po talaga open po lahat yung lanes natin by then. And for the northbound direction po, mas marami po kasi talaga yung bumabiyahe po ng Wednesday afternoon hanggang Thursday early afternoon. So usually we are also implementing counterflow to add the lanes for the northbound direction. At yun naman pong balikan, ganun din po. We are again implementing counterflow. This time naman po from northbound direction to be used by southbound traffic flow.